Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we would like to talk about Kynect. Kynect is a marketplace for Kentucky Medicaid. That's where you go to apply for your state benefits. How do you know what determines your eligibility to apply for it? Residential, income, and household. The website kynect.ky.gov. You go there and you can shop, apply for all the benefits, Medicaid, SNAP, child care assistance, KTUP. Ask Connect. You can also reach out to Ask Connectors. We do site visits. We go to the Goodwill on West End, Goodwill on East Broadway, and Goodwill on Preston Highway. West Broadway every Tuesday, East Broadway every Wednesday. This is my number. You can also call me or email me. If you want assistant, whatever assistant you want, definitely reach out to me.